So as we can see here, I've put in my T, and now I've got a coupling, just a connecting piece that's going to go on to this guy, and that's going to give us a vertical drain. So then we can just hook directly into this with our thing, and then same on this side. We're going to basically elbow that way, and that's going to bring us up to the other side of the property. But that gives us our angle that we need. So there we go. We've got our elbow in, we've got our T happening here, and then we've got our cap. So this one seals off when it's not in use. And then of course, that'll be the same on the top. We'll have another one of those caps. Now, when you're attaching pipes, I had a 4-inch pipe, so obviously you gotta measure your pipe, make sure you're getting the right size, measuring your distance, getting the right distance. And then this is the stuff over at Share It that the team recommended to me. This is your primer, so this just helps to really give a good adhesive bond on there. And then its partner, of course, the glue. So our industrial grade PVC glue. So that's the stuff that you put on after. So you put on the purple stuff, and then you put on the gray stuff, the glue stuff. So you get a really good bond. And there we go.